All right, people, here you go. I posted one earlier about the headlight switch. I'm going to go over it again one more quick time. Sorry if it's a little dark in here, but this is just to prove that this headlight switch actually does work. So turn on the light, make it a little bit noticeable. I showed you how to do this already, but turn it to the off position, push in and over and pull. That's how you get the old one off. And then you put the new one on, hook everything up you need to it, push it in, wait until it clicks. There you go. And I have it to the auto position. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to close the door so you can forget that annoying little binging sound. This is where the light switch is. God, I wish you could see it. But unfortunately you can't, and I'm sorry. But it's in this general area, right here where my hand's touching. Here we go. There we go. And there's the small headlights. There we go. And they work. Unbelievable. There you go. Now, if I turn it to this way and pull, actually, I don't even need to do that. See, if I were to pull it all the way out, the fog lights would come on, which would be these right here. And you can see a blue light that came on. That's the automatic headlights. So I turn that off, switch that down, and the headlights come right back on. So those are the daytime running lights, or in this case also the parking lights. Turn on the headlights. There you go. Turn them off and there's the daytime running lights. Turn them off and they're auto. And the headlights automatically come back on. Now, I turn it off and the headlights stay on. And you see the little thing went off. There's where it is, right there. Turn off the light here. Now I get out of the car, and in about 5 to 10 seconds, the headlights will go off on their own. So let's make sure we watch it. There we go. Automatic headlight switch. Now, basically what it is the headlights, to the door open. Now, basically what you do is you take out the old headlight switch, like I said in the previous video, and you place the wire for the automatic headlights. Okay, now I can talk a little softer. You take the wire for the automatic headlights, put them in a distinct spot where it won't be seen, but you know it's there, which is exactly what I did. Take the fuse panel out and put the wire in the fuse panel, make it nice and neat and out of the way. Put the fuse panel back in. So what you would do after that is you can either have your headlights off, have them on auto, and they will automatically come on, or if you keep them off, they won't come on at all. And then you can actually hook fog lights into it, which is what I should be getting any day now. Which, matters of fact, they should have been here today, but they weren't. So they'll probably be here tomorrow. And when you hook up the fog lights, they go in the number 8 slot. I actually read that off of another YouTuber. Thank you, by the way. I can't remember the guy's name, though. And I'm going to hook those up probably Thursday. So, and hopefully the radio will come in by then, too. Because the radio's scheduled to come in today, and it shows that it's still in China. So, that's basically what I'm going to do. And that's it. So, I hope that you all have a good day. I hope that you all stay safe out there. And I always hope that you have a wonderful evening. Take care. I'll see you again.